Okay folks, hi, this is Steve with S&S. Gonna do a quick how-to video on a 17 Chevy Traverse. It's the premier on how to use features and stuff. On the steering wheel here, this is pretty much volume control. This operates your cruise right over here. That's your heated steering wheel. Dual climate control, that's pretty self-explanatory. This is to turn your button on and off on your power lift gate. These are for your heated seats and the air conditioned seats. You can see they got 3 different settings: low, medium, and high. USB is right there. And then also, the biggest question that we get asked, how to hook up your phone. This will be the simplest way. Just go to phone and then hit pair device. Now on your telephone, you'll need to go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and then you'll see right down there on the bottom where it says Chevy Traverse. Click that, and then you just make sure them numbers are the same. Hit pair right here, and then hit yes right up here, and you can see now that it hooked up. This is pretty much your radio controls. See, your USB will light up once you plug in a cord to it. See, the Bluetooth audio was off until we hooked up the phone to it. Now on your phone, then it'll say allow contacts and favorite sync. I mean, that's completely up to you. If you want to make it a little bit easier, I always hit allow. For the purpose of that video, I don't need to. That's pretty much it. Any other questions? You've got your rear controls back here on the back that'll operate your radio and the climate, and that's pretty much it. Oh, memory seats right over here. This you can, by this button right here, you can reset. You hold down the button to set. It'll all come up on your computer right up here. And that's pretty much it, folks. Any other questions, just give us a call, 731-968-2812. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.